Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy stitch for beginners. As you can see here, I've made one of this, so let's get started. So we're going to chain 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Then I'm going to come over here, the next stitch, then make single crochet stitches, tighten this a little bit here, chain 1, turn or work round, then we're going to make 1 yarn over, and then going to make inside here, pull through, then just go in the next stitch, pull through and pull through, then we're going to go in the same stitch, pull through, second one, pull through, okay, yarn over, do the same space, pull through, then just go in the next one, pull through, you can see how it's going to look like. So I'm going to yarn over, So chain 1, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So I'm going to continue, yarn over, insert a hook, then go into the next one, insert the hook, pull through. You're going to have 4 loops, yarn over, you're going to go in the same space, pull through, to make 1 double crochet here at the end, then again come in the same space, chain, then go here, right in this space here, last one, chain 1, so you can see how it's going to look like. Going to make 1 more row, insert a hook, pull through, go into the next one, pull through, the same space, As you can see, that's how it's going to look like. So this is how it's going to look like. This is a smaller one and that's a bigger one. So if you can make a difference, is that I made chain of 15, then I crocheted single crochets on top of these stitches here. Then I came over here and I just chained 2 and then yarned over and then insert my hook in the first stitch here, and again I go to the neck second loop here and pull through the yarn and then rolled over. Then I did not stitch on top and I continued the same way, and then I came over here and changed 2. So again I had yarn over here, yarn over one time, then went to the stitch and then pulled through, and then I went to the second stitch without yarning over and pulled through all 4 stitches, and this is how it looked like and it came out. So I hope you like my video for this time, and if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share for the next video so that I can bring more video like this. So till then, see you, bye bye.